Ataitat purnamabhyatmam yachaneti anritam vachaha sarvam neti anritam bhruya sadushkirti swashanmritaha. Therefore, the safe course is to say no, although it is falsehood, it protects one completely, draws the compassion of others toward oneself, gives one the full facility to collect money from others for oneself. Nonetheless, if one always pleads that he has nothing, he is condemned for either dead body while living or while breathing, he should be killed. So there is some, reverse situation which is being seen by Shukracharya. Shukracharya is seeing some difficulty. And in reverse situation, is recommending that he give up all dharma. But this is not what devotees do, a gentleman does. In fact, rather a person is tested in reverse situation. Correct? The real character of the man comes out in reverse situation. His golden character comes out, how he maintains his principles. But here Shukracharya is saying, now difficulty is coming, better give up all dharma and tell a lie. Okay, so let us see what the examples set in the scriptures. We see what are the examples set by the great souls. We have the example of Vedavyasa. Vedavyasa was in a very reverse situation, that after reading all the Vedic literatures, after he wrote so many Vedic literatures, he was not satisfied. What did he do? He gave up spiritual life? He took to smoking ganja or anything? No. He took shelter of Narada. And what was the result? He got spiritual instructions. Correct? There was a reverse situation. What did he do in the reverse situation? That is important. Situation, but we take the example what he did. He took shelter of the Lord. My Lord, please guide me. He took shelter of his guru. His guru came and he said, please guide me. And Narada Muni guided him and told him the mistake he has done, that he has not properly glorified the Lord. And the situation got over. Okay. Similarly, we have more instances. We have the instance of Narada Muni. The Narada Muni's mother died. He was a small child, only 5-year-old. He could have just cried, lost faith in God. See what the God did to me, blah, blah, blah. I don't say there is God. I am a helpless child now. There is no father to take care of me, and he killed my mother also. What kind of God is this? No. He took it as a mercy of the Lord. And where he had been in the ashram, serving the great acharyas, the Bhakti Vedantas, and by his mercy he was spiritually so advanced, he took it as a mercy of Krishna. And he took shelter of the Lord. And he was searched out a place in the forest where he could meditate on the Lord. And the result was, what was the result? What happened to Narada? He got darshan of the Lord in the forest. So there was a reverse situation. But he took that reverse situation also as mercy. There is nothing difficult. Everything he took it as mercy, but what is the result? He got the darshan of the Lord. Correct? Prabhupada says, here I like to always repeat, that what we want to see, life after life after life, he saw. What more does he want? His life became perfect. He saw the Lord. Became so happy, so ecstatic. Then we have the reverse situation, Ashwatthama. What did Ashwatthama do? Ashwatthama killed the 5 sons of Draupadi. And what Draupadi could have done? Draupadi could have, and Arjuna went very angry and brought Ashwatthama in front. Draupadi could have said, you kill him now. She said, no. She forgave him. She said, how can you kill him? I know the pain I am feeling for my children's being killed. How can he give the same pain to Drauni, the wife of Dronacharya? Crazy people. Have you forgotten your gratitude to Dronacharya? How much gratitude we have to that family. He is the one who trained you in Astra Vidya. And you want to kill his son now? How much pain you are going to give the wife of Dronacharya? We have obliged to that family. Let us not do this. Already she is suffering because her husband has died. Now you're going to kill her son. So even though Ashwatthama had done a great offense, she pardoned him. Okay, she took it. So that's a devotees are very tolerant. This is a great situation. Famous situation. Bhima wants to kill him. And here Draupadi says, better leave him. And Krishna here is four-handed. He is holding Bhima with two hands, another hand. Interesting. Krishna Prabhupada said he can have 1,000 hands. What is there to 4 hands? And then he tries to situation, And then it's a very funny situation. Okay. And then Parikshit Maharaj. This we all know the famous instance. Parikshit Maharaj was cursed to die. He was cursed to die within 7 days. He could have said, taken some offense and done something. No. He could have counter-cursed. He could have killed that Brahmana. He could have killed the son of the Brahmana. Samika Rishi Shringi. All Parikshit Maharaj could have wiped out the Brahmanas itself. He could have taken any action. No. I am bound by my etiquettes. I will stay within my etiquettes. I take it as mercy of Krishna. Such character. Now this encourages everybody. This encourages. So we see the great devotees. And then what was the result of that? Shukamuni came. Shukadeva Goswami came and instructed him. He heard Bhagavata from Shukamuni. So Krishna made arrangement for him. We stay within our boundary, then Krishna is so happy. Oh, so wonderful. So wonderful. And then Krishna makes arrangement. But our mistake is that we have little difficulty and we give up all principles. A little headache, we don't chant that day. Some little difficulty, we don't drop this, we don't do the service. Oh no, I'm not comfortable. Our whole focus is on ourselves. Where devotees' focus is on Krishna. Prabhupada takes an example of in the Bhagavatam of Vasudeva, the son of father of Krishna. To convince Kamsa, he told him that Kamsa wanted to kill his wife. So he said, don't kill. You have heard the Akashvani that the 8th son of my will kill you. So I'm not going to do, I'm going to give you all the children. You can do whatever you want. So Kamsa believed Vasudeva because Vasudeva was known for the word of honor. And he took the child. The firstborn child he took to Kamsa. So Prabhupada says devotees can tolerate any pain. And where the demons, they can forget anything for sense enjoyment. Correct? That's the different characters. The different characters. So here we see these are all different reverse situations. We have a reverse situation here. We have a reverse situation here. We have a reverse situation. But in all the situations, the devotee maintains character. We could have in this situation, Vedavyasa could have just stopped everything. So much he worked, so much he worked. He wrote so much. He wrote Mahabharata, he wrote the Upanishads, he wrote the Vedas, he wrote the Puranas, but still he is not feeling happy. What is missing? He's saying, what is the mistake in me? He's introspecting. And then he's thinking, maybe I didn't glorify the Lord, but he wanted to confirm it. And Narada Muni came. And Narada, with the golden heart, which is full of love of Krishna, gave his association to him. And he developed so nice. We became so happy. Correct? He became so encouraged. So we can any reverse situation. Situation तो हमारा गलत हो सकता है. लेकिन हम कैसे उसमें व्यवहार करेगा वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. वेदव्यास को बहुत घुटन हो रहा था. इतना कुछ काम करके भी तृप्ति नहीं मिली. क्या किया? सब कुछ छोड़ के गांजा पिया? नहीं, इंट्रोस्पेक्ट किया. नारद मुनि को जब आए उनके शरण लिया और क्या हुआ रिजल्ट? उनको पूरा ज्ञान मिल गया. दूसरा सिचुएशन है नारद मुनि खुद. नारद मुनि जब बच्चे थे तो क्या हुआ? उनके माँ का मृत्यु हो गया, है ना. सांप ने डस लिया. तो क्या किया उन्होंने? रोए. कैसे भगवान है, पिताजी भी नहीं और माँ को ही मार दिया. नहीं, भगवान की कृपा है. और उन्होंने भगवान पर ध्यान करना शुरू किया. क्या हुआ? भगवान को दर्शन दे दिए. तो रिवर्स सिचुएशन सबके आता है. आदमी का कैरेक्टर टेस्ट होता है जब वो रिवर्स सिचुएशन में होता है. वैसे तो सभी लोग अच्छा, हाँ मैं बहुत अच्छा आदमी. थोड़ा मुश्किल में डालो, असली आदमी का गुण बाहर आ जाते हैं। द्रौपदी के भी 5 बच्चों का हत्या कर दिया किसने? अश्वत्थामा ने। और जब अर्जुन उसको पकड़ के लाया, बोला नहीं नहीं नहीं, माफ़ कर दो उसको। क्यों माफ़ कर दो? अरे द्रोणी की क्या हालत होगा, मेरे क्या हालत है, अभी 5 बच्चे मरे, और उस परिवार से तुम्हारा बहुत क्या कहते हैं, कृतज्ञता है। उस परिवार को तुम बहुत ऑब्लाइज्ड है, हमको कितना ज्ञान दिया उन्होंने, है ना। छोड़ दो उसका, देखो कैरेक्टर डिवोटी का। अब ये फोटो लगाना भूल गया, ये है परीक्षित महाराज। परीक्षित महाराज को 7 दिन में मृत्युदंड का सुनाई दिया। क्या किया? वो भी उस समय के ऋषि और श्रृंगी दोनों को मार सकता था ना, अपने कल्चर एटिकेट के अंदर आ। भगवान आपको देख रहे हैं, आपको दूसरे डर नहीं लगना चाहिए, लेकिन अपने गुण नहीं छोड़ने के। हम अवगुण आ गए, हम भी कुत्ते की तरह भौंकने लगे, तो हमें उस आदमी में क्या फ़र्क है? नहीं, शांत रहा। वो भी श्राप देता था बच्चे को, फिर उस पर परीक्षित महाराज, तो बच्चे में क्या फ़र्क रह जाता है? परीक्षित महाराज तो महान है ना। परीक्षित महाराज ने क्या किया? अरे तो कृष्ण की कृपा है, और कृष्ण ने अरेंजमेंट किया, शुक मुनि को भेजा उनको मदद करने के लिए। तो हम अगर अपने क्वालिटी में रहेंगे तो कृष्ण हमको मदद करेंगे, ठीक है। कृष्ण ने, ओ ये तो बड़ा सुंदर भक्त है, तो कृष्ण को उसमें आकर्षण आता है। सो दिस इज अ वेरी टेस्ट। नाउ बलि महाराज इज हैविंग सिमिलर सिचुएशन। बलि महाराज के सामने ब्राह्मण रूप में भगवान आ गए और बोल रहे हैं मेरे को 3 स्टेप लैंड चाहिए, और बलि महाराज ने बोला ले लो। अब उसके बाद शुक्राचार्य बोले अरे रे 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 रे, ये तो क्या बोल दिया तूने क्या बोल दिया? अरे अब तो बोल, मैंने नहीं बोला, झूठ बोल दे। तो बलि महाराज सोच रहे हैं क्या करेंगे। तो नहीं, भगवान लेना चाहते हैं, लेने दो। है बहुत मुश्किल, आसान नहीं है। आपका सब कुछ कोई ले ले, आसान नहीं होता, ठीक है। आप भगवान की इच्छा, ठीक है। एंड देन फॉर द रिजल्ट इज व्हाट? सूतल में भगवान उसको इंद्रलोक से भी सुंदर जगह बना देते हैं, और खुद उसके द्वारपाल बन जाते हैं। और उसके बाद मृत्यु पश्चात, सूतल के बाद वो इंद्र बनेंगे। पूरा एक मनवंतर कर 300 मिलियन ईयर, 30 करोड़ साल के लिए फिर उनको इंद्र का पोजीशन नहीं मिलेगा। तो सब कुछ भगवान ने दिया, कुछ छोड़ा, लेकिन उन्होंने अपना कैरेक्टर नहीं छोड़ा। अरे भगवान आए हैं, बोल रहे सब कुछ चला जाएगा, चलो झूठ बोल देते हैं। नहीं, झूठ नहीं बोलेंगे, हम तो अपना कैरेक्टर में रहेंगे, ठीक है। तो दिस इज़ वेरी ग्रेट क्वालिटी वी नीड टू कल्टिवेट। बहुत बड़ा चीज़ है, इट्स नॉट ईजी। एंड इफ यू कैन कल्टिवेट दिस क्वालिटी, then there is some advancement in spiritual life, ठीक है। In personal life also, first thing we can learn from all the situations. Now chalo, let us take a lesson for us in all the situations. First thing, situation, वेद व्यास, हमारे भी दिल में घुटन है, कोई नहीं बोल सकता हम पूरी तरह से तृप्त हैं, ठीक है। घुटन है तो आप प्रभुपाद का शरण लो ना, इतना सुंदर किताबें प्रभुपाद ने दी है। आपको हरिनाम है, हरिनाम का शरण लीजिए। You chant the holy name of the Lord, you hear about Krishna, you read Prabhupada books, उनका शरण लीजिए। पहले इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करिए। जो आदमी इंट्रोस्पेक्ट नहीं कर सकता वो कभी भी आध्यात्मिक प्रगति नहीं कर सकता, है ना। The person who cannot introspect cannot advance the spiritual life. You see the judgment. Yes, I need to advance. So I need to take shelter of the holy name and Prabhupada. लीजिए ना शरण, कौन रोक रहा है आपको? आपके हाथ में है आपका आध्यात्मिक जीवन। नष्ट करना चाहते हो कर दो, प्रगति करना चाहते हो कर दो, रास्ता आपके सामने है ना। कोई नया चीज़ नहीं है। प्रभुपाद जी को भक्त लोग जानते थे, प्रभुपाद जी ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है। प्रभुपाद जी ने नया चीज़ मैंने को कुछ नहीं देना तुमको, ये श्रवण करो, हरिनाम और भागवत पढ़ो, और श्री श्री राधा गोविंद की, श्री श्री गौ नेताए की, श्री प्रभुपाद की जय। सो आप श्रवण करिए, आपको सब मिलेगा, लेकिन आपके पास रास्ता है तो आप उसका फायदा उठाइए। देन जिंदगी में हमारा लक्ष्य परमात्मा का दर्शन है, ठीक है। अगर हमारा लक्ष्य परमात्मा का दर्शन हो जाएगा तो छोटी मोटी चीज पे हमारा मन व्यतीत नहीं रहेगा। इसने ये बोला, उसने ये बोला, वो अपने को ये समझता है, अपने को ये समझता है। I remember when I joined the temple of the Brahmachari, there was a big community, 50 devotees. Sometimes he told like this to me, he told like this to me. I used to feel jealous of somebody sometimes. All this kindly there, just join. But then I realized that I've come here to see the Lord. That's what the senior devotee told me. You have come here to see Paramatma. What are you doing? You are busy with the silly things. Correct. The Paramatma is accompanying, is there in my heart, but I am not able to see. Can I see the Lord? that is where you focus, then all the small things go away. Very nice. And then we can forgive even the greatest offense. Okay? And finally, most important, Parikshit Maharaj knew he has only 7 days remaining. What did he do? क्या किया? साधे नहीं थे मालूम पड़ा. He took opportunity to hear about Krishna. But Prabhupada says we don't even know how many days we have. We have very small life in front of us. What we should do? We should focus. Very attentively hear Bhagavatam. Take full advantage. Labdava sudalabam idam bahu sambhavante. Very rare to get human form of life. Very rare. Somehow I got human form of life. Let me take advantage. Let me not waste this or throw away this opportunity. We do not know next life what is an opportunity. Today I have an opportunity. Let me take advantage. So we have the example of Parikshit Maharaj, all these examples. So let us also take an opportunity to advance spiritually. So Bali Maharaj also got an opportunity. In front of him Vaman Deva is there. He can throw everything. He can take shelter. He takes shelter. He does not miss the opportunity. And he wants to take shelter and offer everything to the Lord. So similarly, if in our life also we take advantage, every moment there is an opportunity to offer service to Krishna. Every moment, all of us an opportunity. If we take advantage, then there is going to be an advancement. Otherwise, there will be no advancement. At least the life will remain like that only. Do not miss an opportunity to serve Krishna. Rather, we are reverse. We never miss opportunity for sense gratification. Just like I remember when I was a child, one moment mother, father has gone out for some work, immediately we used to run and watch the TV. Children never miss opportunity for some playing or sense gratification. Correct? That's how we are. But rather than that, we should never miss opportunity for spiritual advancement. Whenever we get an opportunity, we should take advantage and advance. And Krishna is seeing that how eager he is to serve Krishna. Then more and more facilities will be awakened. And then Krishna will start becoming part of your life. When somebody Krishna sees is very sincere to serve him, then he attracts Krishna's attention. And when he attracts the attention of Krishna and the Vaishnavas, then he gets mercy. And when he gets mercy, that is advancement. Prabhupada says our advancement is not more on our sadhana, it is more on our the mercy. This is a mercy movement. So when we have become very eager to serve Krishna, eager to advance the spiritual life, then we get mercy. Okay? So this example of Bali Maharaj, funny, Shukracharya, tell a lie, no? What is there? Tell a lie. Nahi bola tune, bol de. And he's finding some like lawyer, some loopholes. So you didn't say Om before he gave the promise. So actually it's not a promise. Anyway, if such a kind of promise, you should not withhold, because if you follow this promise, then you cannot maintain yourself, and then you will have no reputation. And who cares for a poor man? Blah, blah, blah. He's trying to create a situation. So Bali Maharaj may get scared and will not continue with the promise. And Shukracharya is also contaminated in giving this advice, because he is very worried. If Bali Maharaj gives everything to the Lord, then how he is going to maintain himself. So both was wrong. In this situation, we can understand that Bali Maharaj could have rather, Bali Maharaj rather, instead of following Shukracharya and a so-called spiritual master who was obstructing his service to Krishna, he went ahead and served Krishna. And what did happen? He became glorious in history. But had he done short circuit for immediate some personal gain, he would have lied, and it would have been very temporary benefit. So Krishna is actually testing us in every situation. Okay, Srila Prabhupada ki